Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove noise and grain from photos with AI Denoiser. Step 1. Set the stage. Launch your preferred web browser and type ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. Access URL. If you haven't already logged into your AI ImgLarger account to unleash its powerful capabilities, I suggest to do so. Step 3. Explore the offerings. Scroll down to uncover the vast array of AI ImgLarger features. Choose AI Denoiser to continue. Step 4. Upload and enhance. Click Upload an image to select the photo for processing. You can also simply drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Initiate the transformation. Tap Start and await the magic. Use the eye icon to witness the before and after transformation. Then, the download icon to retrieve your enhanced image. Click it. That's it. AI ImgLarger, where innovation and creativity merge through the enhancement of artificial intelligence. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.